Hi friends, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Allure Beauty Box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Allure Beauty Box comes out monthly. It will have all the goodies in it. Skincare, makeup. It is $100 or more in value. You will have 6 products. They say 3 will be full-sized. It has a $25 value, which just for the record is about the same price as your Ipsy, no, your BoxyCharm box from Ipsy, which has 5 products in it, but they're all full-sized. By comparison, that's where we are. Let's dig right in. I have no idea what is in this month's box. Okay, when we open it up, this is our paperwork. It will tell us a little bit about each of our products on the inside. This is our September box. That is what it looks like. I don't know what we lost. I will check in a little bit, make sure it wasn't important. I have gotten the Allure box for years, pretty much close to the beginning of the channel. It has had its ups and downs. It used to be way more inexpensive. Of course, most of the boxes used to be far more inexpensive. There have been times where I have gone back and forth about whether I should keep the box. Lately, it's been pretty good. We haven't had that question. I will put links below for it. I am in no way affiliated with it. I purchased mine through Amazon just because I went to that years ago. Years ago, when you ordered it through Allure and you ordered it through Amazon, the Amazon one always came more quickly. I can't say whether that's still the theory because I don't receive it from regular Allure anymore. I just stayed with Amazon. All right, first out we have Kristens S Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask, and it is 0.9 fluid ounces, so I would say this is not one of our full-size products. Why you'll love it. Hair damage may be inevitable from heat styling, coloring your hair, and everyday habits such as brushing your hair. But with Kristens S's nourishing in-shower treatment infused with hydrating coconut oil and shea butter, you can extend the time until your next trim. Once a week, replace your conditioner with this moisturizing mask after shampooing. Wow, it's inexpensive. If it were full-sized, it would only be $15, and that would be for 6.7 ounces. And we have not quite an ounce. So we have a little less than $2 worth. Let's see what it smells like. I always talk about the first noticeable thing that's important with hair products is that it smells good. If I can get the little top off, we'll smell it. I am using my Vega more now, so I'm absolutely not replacing anything, but this would probably be only for a couple of uses anyway, and you know, a change it up, different mask, never a bad idea. Oh, that smells nice. I think it smells slightly floral, kind of just creamy, florally, kind of like a hair product, but a little more floral than that, I think. Smells good. I would definitely use it. I would not mind my hair smelling like this at all. And next up, we have the Kiehls Midnight Recovery Concentrate. You know what? This is one of those products that I used to use this years ago, and I ran out of it, and I replaced it with something else, and I never went back to use it to get more and use it again. I really liked this. The paperwork says, while you catch some Z's, Kiehls Face Oil, a botanical blend of lavender, evening primrose, and rosemary oils, plus hydrating squalene, make sure your skin gets a good night's sleep. And the quick-to-absorb formula sinks right into your skin, not your pillow. It is $88 for 1.7 ounces, and then we have 4 ml. That is 0.14 fluid ounces. By my math, that still makes this a $7 value. The beauty is, I think this is enough to give you a really good idea as to whether it's something you would like to use on your face. As speaking for the sensitives, as I recall, I really liked it. I'm going to put just a drop here because I'm going to go back to using it in the evening and make sure that I still love it, because right here, we're heading into fall, into winter. Everything about my skin is about to amplify its dryness. So the more that I can find that my skin likes, the better. It smells very, very much like lavender. So if you are not a fan of lavender, I wouldn't recommend this, but since it is a night product and lavender is so calming, and I love lavender, yeah, I remember really liking this. I think I probably just got cheap. I think probably I ran out of it and I found something else that I was using and I was like, it'll be fine. This makes me remember how much I really liked it. Next out, we have a Masky Anti-Aging, Hydrating, Soothing, Nourishing, Purifying, Fragrance-Free, pH-Balanced, Serum-Infused Moisturizer. That was all the words, right? It is made in France. I would say this is probably full-sized. That is what it looks like. This lightweight moisturizer does more than just hydrate. With sweet almond oil and sunflower seed oils, fruit extracts gently exfoliate, and aloe soothes signs of irritation. It depends on what the fruit extracts are, whether I can use it. It is $55 for 40 ml, and that is what we have. So this is one of our full-size products. Let me take a minute with the ingredients. You know what? It is mango, kiwi, and apple fruit extracts, and I'm putting together a giveaway because I have just surpassed my 5-year anniversary. I'm shocked. So I'm going to go ahead, since this has got a nice hefty $55 value, I'm going to set this aside for the giveaway. Okay, next out we have a Allure Beauty Collagen Plump and Smooth Facial Sheet Masks, free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, silicone, artificial fragrance, benzophenone, artificial dye, phenoxyethanol, PEG, and talc. That is a lot of things that is good to not have in it, and it says the radiant results you'll get from this easy-to-use mask rival a luxurious facial. Licorice root extract, smooth skin, while amino acids plump. It has a $15.99 value for 5 masks. So this is a little over $3. If you follow the channel, you know I can't use this. If you're new, welcome. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I am allergic to licorice root, so I will pass this along since it has licorice root in it. Next out, we have Chic by Kulfi, and it is a Kiehls eyeliner crayon in, Chiku is, I believe, going to be the color. The paperwork says Kulfi Kiehls eyeliner in Chiku. A flick of this rich chocolate brown liner is much more forgiving than the typical inky black. While still making an impact, Kulfi's Best of Beauty award-winning long-wearing gel glides on with ease compared to harsh pencils or messy liquids. And it stays put all day, even in your lower lash line. And it has a $20 value. Brown is fun and different. Oh, very creamy. Oh my goodness. That was just the creamiest, smoothest, easiest line to draw. I will absolutely be trying this. That went on very nicely. All right. And I think, yep, last out, we have an Eve Loam Rescue Mask. That is what that looks like. Eve Loam products are usually pricey. This says, this face mask is a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It uses kaolin clay to help reduce the oiliness of your T-zone that can lead to breakouts without leaving your face feeling totally parched in the process. And its herbal scent makes the experience feel as spa-like as it gets within the confines of your bathroom. It has a $58 value. Oh my goodness. Let's check the ingredients. They're not on here. It's gonna be clever. They are not on here. Guess what? I'm gonna go ahead and slide this into the giveaway too, because it is, this relative to the size of the tube, this is so heavy. It must be really clayey, which means it's gonna dry your skin a little bit, and moving into winter, the last thing that I need is a clay mask. So I will put it up here with the moisturizer and the sheet mask. So this month in our box, we got the collagen sheet mask, the Mud Masky moisturizer, the Eve Loam Kaolin Clay Mask, the Kiehls Midnight Recovery, that's fantastic. The, who was this? Kristens S Mask for your hair, and this Kulfi Chocolate Brown Eyeliner. That is what that looks like. And I know you're thinking, wow, 2 of the most expensive things, you can't use 2 of the full-size things. That's true. But for me this time, even just these 2 little things covered the cost of the box. And I will also have the hair mask, and then I get some great things for my giveaway. So no regrets this month. Thank you so much for coming by and being here, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over to the channel and say hi. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked it. If you are new, I hope you will consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a really great evening, guys. Take care.